What doing? What doing? Don't do it, honey. Don't do it. We call him String Art. Hi, Millie Millie. Hi, Millie Millie. How did you get all the way up there? Don't do it, honey. Don't do it. We call it string art. This one can't have my sleeves. We're gonna get clothesline. So let's do it. It's pretty red, white, and blue. Ta-da! Here's another happy healthy tip for you. Get a clothespin bag that you can see in. That way you know if you're grabbing anything that squiggles or, you. It's one of the simple joys in life. When you smell sheets that are dried by the sun, Anyway, it's a cost savings, and it's something super simple, really anybody can do. So there you have it.
On to the next.
We got to take care of that basket.
On to the next.
On to the next. Happy, healthy tips to keep your stuff dry when you air dry them on the line. Number 1, less detergent is more. Use the recommended amount. Follow that label, especially if you're using stuff that is designed for high efficiency machines. Okay? More is not better. Number 2, consider switching over to a homemade laundry detergent. And I'm going to post an info card somewhere around here to send you over to the videos that we made on making our own laundry detergent. I really like it. It's a lot gentler on clothes and a lot gentler on the machines, and it does a good job cleaning.
Yeah, it smells good.
Yeah, it smells great without all the perfumes. Number 3, in your final rinse cycle, put in a half a cup of white vinegar. Guys, don't worry. It's not going to make your clothes smell like vinegar or a tossed salad. It all evaporates. It goes away as the sun hits it, but it's a fabulous way of keeping your clothes really soft throughout the drying process. So give those tips a whirl. I hope they work for you. And I guess it's time for me to go do some laundry. So, until we see you again, be blessed. Keep looking up. Say thank you.
Thank you.
Keep that attitude of gratitude. Be safe. And we'll catch you on the flip.
See ya.
Bye.